This is the Iron Trader and TGIF. Wow, what a fast and great week of trading here we had this week. So now, as usual, we are going to review the crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Let's just do a real quick review here. All right, I've always been pointing out this candle here because if you look at the bottom, look at what a nice, sweet double bottom this was. This candle here, and then wow, right into the 100 SMA here on the OPEC meeting. Now, it pulled back here, went a little sideways. Now, yesterday it fell off because of the U.S. going to make a nuclear and an oil deal with Iran. I don't know if that's all going to materialize, but, you know, we don't really care. We figure out how we're going to make money off it. Okay, so let's look at here at the chart here. So on this candle here and this one here, how did it get to the top? So you always want to look to the left of your chart. Look at all the resistant levels right here, going all the way across, okay? See that? All the way across. That's what you have to look at here on your resistance levels. That's why these candles stopped right where they did, okay? So now what we want to do is you're caught right here in between the middle of the 21-day, okay, sitting at 71.54, and this key 8 SMA sitting at 71. Now, if this 8 SMA is lost, then we want to do is look to the bottom of this candle right here. So you're looking at 70.13. Then what we want to do is look at yesterday's candle, okay? Look to the bottom of that. You're looking at 69.03, and then we want to do is look at here. You're looking at 67.51, and then your big retest here is sitting at 67.03. Now, on the upside, watch the 21-day. If you can close above that, then we want to look at this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 72.33. Then we work at yesterday's top of yesterday's candle, 73.28. And then what we want to do is your big retest here is going to be your 74.73. That's your 50 SMA. And then right above that is your 75.34, which is your 100 SMA. And obviously, if you can close above, then we look to the 200, 79.13. But you just got basically a sideways action pattern here. So you just have to just look at these where these price channels are, okay? So you got 75.06 on the top, 67.03 on the bottom. So we just trade that range until she breaks out one way or the other. All right, let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Okay, your weekly chart. Now, your key support level here, as I've been pointing out, is sitting at 67.29. That's your 200 SMA. If lost, look at the bottom of that candle there, 65.38. You look here, 64.36, and then your big retest, 63.64. Now, on the upside here, you always want to watch these key 8 SMA here. This is sitting at 73.03. Your 21 sitting at 75.35. And obviously, if you can close above, right here, your target is 81.96. That's your 50 SMA. And then you have your price channel sitting right above sitting at 83.53. Now, the key is going to be a close above this 8 and 21 SMA. You can see how this 8 SMA just tried to rally up, but it needs to close above and cross above that 21 SMA to get that price moving. But so far, it just hasn't been doing it. Okay, on your monthly chart here, always watch this is 67.610. That's your 50 SMA, and then watch your key 200 SMA here. You're sitting at 72.74. If you can get above, then we go as your 8 SMA, 76.05, and then your big retest here of your 21, which is at 85.61, which is really flattened out very, very nicely. So that overall should be a nice target here sometime this summer. All right, let's take a look here at the old Natty Gas. Okay, Natty Gas still in the same range. Really a whole lot of nothing here. Just watch the price channels, 2.685 top, 2.136 bottom. All these simple moving averages here are just extremely, really, really tight here now. So if we look here at your 21 SMA, you're sitting at 2.33. That would be your upside. On your downside, you want to look here at 2.25. and then your 50 SMA here is at 2.25. So everything is really tight. If you can break out to the upside, you want to watch a 2.41. That's your 100 SMA, and then you have your retest up here at 2.68. Right now, there's just no catalyst here that I can see that's going on here. You really don't have any high heat here happening here. The weather so far is, yeah, it's a little smoky. I'll give you that, but that doesn't affect what natural gas is here is going to be doing here. So I'm just basically scalping Boil, BOIL, and KOLD. There's just a lot better trades out there right now than the natural gas. Oil seems to be better, but right now the technology here, matter of fact, at midday trading here, I'll be doing a chart here on Tesla, and we'll see where that's all going to be going. All right. Thanks for watching.